Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing some trail maintenance with Tread Lightly, so stay tuned.
Drink a bunch of water. Pee a lot. I hope you see it, not literally. Another important thing, and I'm going to make very intense eye contact with you, for crushing. No sandals or open-toed shoes.
He's got pants on today.
Do we have an extra pair of gloves anywhere?
We had the same conversation last week.
Yeah, we offered him gloves.
Nope.
If you are wearing closed-toed shoes, just please be extra mindful. We'll let this slide this time. But next year,
No shoes.
no shoes. What's more stuff I could yell about? Slips and falls. How do we prevent that?
Don't slip and fall.
Jeeps! Look at all of our Jeeps. It's a Jeep Safari plus a Bronco, I think.
Thank you for the attention. I appreciate it.
Alright, so we talk a lot about Tread Lightly at home and leaving no trace and keeping on the trail, and then on top of it, maintaining what's there. So we talk a lot about this, and then we got the opportunity to come out here and lend a hand with the BLM management and Tread Lightly. So we're super excited to be out here to actually be able to put hands and boots on the ground and do our part.
Right, that's right. Do it right here. Perfect.
Hang on, let Allison drive.
Wonderful. And then one on the other side.
Nice.
Good job!
Good job.
This one will rest at the very bottom. So again, 2 there. Perfect.
Okay, so while we're assembling, alternate diagonal pattern all the way. King is showing his artistic side.
Yeah.
job. Yep. Now just straight up. Slide the shifter over towards you. Whee! Good job. Why would you do
It's
that?
like going to in a bathroom stall and seeing the graffiti on it. Like, what
Yeah,
what
look at
would
all
even trigger you to do that?
All right, guys. Well, that was it for the Tread Lightly cleanup. And so like and subscribe if you want to see more. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.